Yeah. Mountains in the backdrop, taller than the sky's plot. Cascading whispers, echo in the peak's thought. Breathing thin air, feel the world's soul. Majestic range, underground the sun's gold. Lakes crystal clear, mirror to the firmament. Ripples like my rhymes, infinite and permanent. In my boat floating, soul got sail. Nature's hymn humming, hear its tale. Feel the beat of earth, rhythmic stone and surf. Live freely, light within, boundless birth. Mountains, lakes, beaches, nature's canvas so rich. Earth's embrace, a timeless itch. Sands between toes, waves in crescendo. Heartbeats sync, life's grand crescendo. Tides pulling strings, moon's silent decree. Nature's lyric, our spirit's decree. Climbing peaks, standing tall like a sentinel. Scope the panorama, horizon exceptional. Dewdrops on leaves, morning devotion. Nature paints symphony, every emotion. Feel the beat of earth, rhythmic stone and surf. Live freely, light within, boundless birth. Mountains, lakes, beaches, nature's canvas so rich. Earth's embrace, a timeless itch.